The next group of options is the lamp feature. So if you go up to the top and you look at these flashlight icons, these represent the various positions of the lamp when it is turned on. And the lamp serves to provide additional focus. You have the colored ellipse that can be constricted or enlarged to provide focus on a node or group of nodes. And then you can add lighting that can add further accents. So let's just move through these options really quick. So the first one is the upper left, okay, and then the lower left, and then the lower right. And where we're wanting to go is the upper right. So let's just, before we go there, let's just think, okay, let's just say, oh, there's something we want to zoom in on here, and with the mouse wheel, I'm zooming in, and the whole goal is we want to get a really nice snapshot. And let's say that miscellany number 816 is our focal point. Well, we hold down the middle, the mouse button or the mouse wheel button. We put a nice ellipse around that. We get it the right size, and then we just go over and let's just throw some light on that. Oh, ta-da! There we go. Take our snapshot, and we'll have a beautiful picture that with the focus on miscellany 816 and the text that represents the entire graph, or you can change this text out and reload something that is actually particularly references something in miscellaneous 816 or whatever else you have highlighted. Hit tab and you're ready to go.